Okay, last time we got stuck with the planning layout because we actually missed one field. Now let's make it a bit convenient. Cost center accounting, planning, manual planning, user defined planning, layouts, define for activity type planning. And we are going to actually create activity type planning layout. Okay, ZAP 911 for justice. OKKS. ZAP 9. Okay. Actual plan, local current, actual plan, local currency. ZAP, local currency. Planning layout, we'll copy it from not 201, but we have L91 already exists. Change. Okay, save it. It was saved. Planning, manual planning. Okay. User defined, planner profiles. ZAP 9, general controlling. Okay, one. Okay, overwrite, integrated Excel. Okay, fine. And we don't need any extra parameters for that. Okay. Next is KSB1, ZAP 9, X1008. And let's see what we have in the entries. Okay, 81,000, 45 and 36. That is good. Now, next is controlling cost center accounting. Now we have to plan the price. Okay, planning with the planner profile that we have just created. Okay, KP26. Okay, form based. Plan data. Planner profile. ZAP. version 0, 1, 12, fiscal year 2024, X108, activity type MNTHR, form based, planner profile, SAP 91. That's okay, it doesn't give errors because anything can give an error over here. Oh, this is what I was fearing. Cannot be used for planning activities, activity prices. Why not? Let's redo this again. SPRO. One small thing and it stops you on the way. Controlling. Cost center accounting. Planning. Manual planning. Planning layout. Data activity type planning layout. Plan. 2. Then line T1. Create. Okay. Let me just check. What are we missing here? Fixed price. Okay. Okay. Edit. Element. Insert element. Key figure with characteristics. Okay. Plan fixed price in object currency. Firm. Additional fields. Unit. Confirm. You're adding a unit to this plan fixed price in object currency. And let's save it. Okay. Was saved. Now, How come? ZAP 92 is already created. Okay, okay. I missed this part. Fine, 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 fine. This part. Define user define file profiles. And ZAP new entries. ZAP 92. Okay. Enter. General controlling. New entries. Okay. Cost centers, activities, and prices. This is the mistake I believe we were making. Okay, fine. Layout for controlling. Okay. ZAP 92 override. Save. Okay. It takes some time to actually find the mistake, and we've got that, I guess. Finally. Okay. Come on. Okay. We want to X18 and settings, lineup profile. Good. Now this is working. Okay. Finally, activity type, MNTHR, overview screen. Okay. Plan fixed price is 100. Okay. Allocation cost element is there. And equivalence number. Now, what is equivalence number? Let's see that. Finally, we are moving forward. Uh, Equivalence number is basically it is the metric to distribute between cost centers in simple words. Okay. So what is the plan activity? How much of plan activity can be done for this activity? There is no plan because it is manual activity. It can be more, it can be less. The capacity, we don't know what is the capacity. So we can have a plan fixed price. Fixed price means something that you will actually have to pay somehow. Okay. And even if the work is done or not. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's post it. function error log. What happened? RKP2. Okay. 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 ZAP 9 in groups. RKP2 plan activities. Assign group to elements. 09. Save. Okay. We'll have to redo this again. Okay. You want to post your data? Okay. 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 01. KP26. 0112. X108. MNTHR form paste. 100 and post. Has been posted. Okay. Finally. Moving forward. Okay. KB21N. Now, KB21N, what is this? Basically, actual direct activity allocation. Okay. Direct activity, actual postings. Now, okay, let me just show you now how this is actual. Actual postings. Okay. Activity allocation. KB21. Now, what we are doing? Actual postings of what activity? Activity that has been done under the activity MNT HR that you have already recorded. So what you're actually recording here is 01, 01. Okay. X1008 is the cost center and MNTHR it then R and HR 1001, X1002, and X1001. Okay, 50, 70, and 200. Now, this is actual quantity that has been recorded. Okay, post, we've already given a price. Now, the price has got the quantity. Price was 100, quantity has been posted, which is activity that is happening. KSB1. This is cost, actual cost line items for cost centers. Okay. For which cost center? X1008, execute. And we have plant maintenance, rent account, and salaries. Okay. Quantity, we have this. Now we have to calculate the price. I hope you get the idea now. Okay. Okay. Next step is KSII and cost center group. This is price calculation. Okay. Now, again, I'll go back. Period and closing, because you actually create and calculate the price of activity after giving the price and giving all of the activity that was happening in the factory for MNTHR. Okay. Single functions and price calculation, because this price calculation affects your cost center group All business process. Okay. 2 to 2, 2024, test one, detail list, and ZAP 9, execute, cost center group. Processing completed with errors. No activities have been posted for fraud. Okay. $720 X108 MNT HR total price. Okay. And 09 TSHRA, it's also calculating this as well. TSHRM. Okay. No period 1 to 1. Execute. Okay. Let's run execute. If have been posted. Okay. Document number 9022 has been posted. Yes. And 2 by 2 test run execute to calculate the pricing, everything. Okay. TSHRM. We go back. Yes. Yes. Have been posted. And that's it. Okay. Okay. KSB1 X108. And we remove this. Okay. Let's change the layout. Cost center plant maintenance 9,000. 9024. Where was it? Okay. There's some technical problem for that. I believe there might be some glitch with the server, but anyways. Okay. If you look at this, we have credit entries as well, which means that entries have been posted from this to the receiver cost centers. Okay. So that was it with the cost allocation and distribution. Now, next thing that we are starting is internal orders. Okay. Now, what are internal orders? Let me just share it with you. Okay. Internal orders, basically just like cost centers. The cost centers are permanent. Okay. And when we talk about permanency, uh, we should also consider having temporary projects or assignments within the factory for custom orders, which will not get repeated. For that, there might be some changes to your machinery or production plant or orders or order size, or you have side orders. There can be multiple reasons. For that, we have internal orders. Now, internal orders are basically temporary assignments or expenses that you will capture in internal orders and settle with the cost center. Okay. So there is one GL account, telephone expenses, and there are 5 telephones. How to record telephone-wise expenses. Create an internal order for each telephone while posting telephone expenses in a file. Telephone number can be entered in internal order field. Narrative is vehicle-wise expense. There is one GL account petrol expense and one GL account vehicle maintenance, and there are 10 vehicles. How to display vehicle-wise expense. Create an internal order for each vehicle. Event-wise. There's a cost center for sales department. Several activities like promotional events happen in the department. For every event, certain expenses incur. So problem is event-wise expenses are to be recorded. Create an internal order for each event. Internal orders are two types, real and statistical. Statistical can be planned. Statistical are used mainly for reporting. In the following two cases, cost center is a real cost object and internal object is a statistical object. Case number one is while posting an FI cost object, like controlling object, the cost center should be entered apart from internal order. Okay. I hope you get the scenario. Yeah. Okay. Now, case two, internal order can be assigned to cost center as shown. While posting in finance, only internal order need to be entered. So basically, when you're entering into internal order, it will be integrated with a cost center. Okay. So what we're actually going to do is basically we are going to assign um, we're going to assign an internal order and a cost center together. And let's see how we can actually do that. Okay. Okay. SPRO. Let's do some settings. Okay. Internal orders. It's pretty easy. I mean, this area is pretty easy. Order master data. Define order types. Okay. Internal order. copy as XA1 telephone ZAP 9. Okay. Planning profile and settlement profile. Planning profile will be the same. Okay. Now, settlement profile is basically where you actually settle all the cost of an internal order into a cost object. Now, cost object can be a material, cost center, even cost element as well, and even GL as well. Object class will be overhead cost, and we will have to release it immediately. Okay, release immediately, which means settle it. Okay. Collective order. Okay. Order layout, print form, all is good. Number of entries copied. Save. Maintain number ranges. Okay, we already have that. Okay. Status management. Prepare for order printing, transfer all data, order master data, planning, setting, maintain cost element groups. Overhead cost. No, no, no. Master data. XA1. Okay. Okay. Assign element to group. Double click. Okay. External number assignment. Okay. Where is it? External number assignment X81. Okay, saved. Images have been saved. Okay. Next is OBC. I hope you're getting the point right now or not. ZAP 9. Field status. Okay, G0, G02. And let's little confusing. It is confusing. Even we can get stuck sometimes. So it's nothing um nothing to worry about. Cost accounts. And option. Okay. And save it. We'll have an overview for the entire CO in the next class. Okay. So we can actually go through and see what was. Okay, COPP order is optional. Save. And let's create FS00. In the meantime, okay, ZAP 9 expenses, vehicle maintenance, copy. $400. $581. Telephone expenses, telephone expense, and we will close it over here with 15 and save. That's it. That's it for today.